How to delete words on Android keyboard. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So let's first of all launch any of the writing application. I'm going to launch Instagram over here. Then simply tap on the search bar and tap on the search bar to let my keyboard pop up. Now here you can see whenever we try and write anything over here, you'll be able to see the different suggestions. So if you want to remove it, what you can simply do is tap on the settings of the keyboard over here. Let's tap on the gear icon. It will lead you to settings. Then simply scroll down and tap on the option of dictionary. As you tap on the option of dictionary, tap on personal dictionary, and here you'll be able to see your words that you have saved. So if you want to delete it, just make a long press or just tap on it and simply tap on this delete icon at the top right corner of the screen. And there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.